How to increase Telegram download speed 2025. Hello everyone, in this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to increase and boost your Telegram download speed in this 2025. You don't need to be a premium Telegram user before you can do this with the settings. I will be showing you in this video. It will help boost your Telegram download speed, whether you want to download movies or document. A slow download speed can be very annoying and frustrating, so follow these steps to get rid of slow downloads on Telegram. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap the three lines at the top left corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Data and Storage. Now select Storage Usage. Now click on Clear Cache. This will free up space and can sometimes improve download speed. Still on the settings under Data and Storage, click on Data Usage, select Mobile Data. Then scroll down to Auto Download Settings. Turn it on, and then set the data usage to high, if you have a good data plan. From here also you can choose which media downloads automatically. When using mobile data, once you are done with mobile data, go to Wi-Fi and repeat the process. Scroll down to Auto Download Settings, then set it to high. Go back again and repeat the process under Roaming. Scroll down to Auto Download Settings. Set it to high. Following these steps, you should see a significant improvement in your Telegram download speeds. Remember, a strong internet connection is key, and keeping your app updated helps too. And this is how to increase Telegram download speed. If you have any questions about increasing Telegram download speed, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.